Today, topic of my discussion is power generation with solar energy. Here is an introduction to solar power generation system. Let us start with definition of solar power. Solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaics or indirectly using concentrated solar power. Solar power generation is defined as the transformation of energy that is present in the sun into electricity. It is one of the renewable energy. Passive solar energy. Active solar energy. Solar thermal energy. Photovoltaic solar power. Concentrating solar power. Are the types of solar energy used? Now, the passive solar energy is a technique in which solar energy is used naturally. Passive solar energy refers to the ability or technology to harness energy, electricity, from the sunlight without using any external devices or machines. On the other hand, active solar energy is a system that uses mechanical or electrical equipment to improve the performance of solar panels. Active solar energy is the process of heating air or water to generate electricity with the help of photovoltaic panels, placed in areas where they can gather the most sunlight. Solar thermal systems collect and concentrate sunlight to produce the high-temperature heat needed to generate electricity. Solar thermal energy harnessing solar energy to generate thermal energy for use in industry and in the residential and commercial sectors. Solar photovoltaic power generation is the process of converting energy from the sun into electricity using solar panels. It is power generated by using photovoltaic cells that absorb energy from sunlight and convert it into electrical energy through semiconducting materials. Concentrated solar power, which is also known as concentrated solar thermal systems, generates solar power by using mirrors or lenses to concentrate a large area of sunlight into receiver. Electricity is generated when the concentrated light is converted to heat. Steps involved in power generation are as under. First of all, solar panels are activated by sunlight. Then electron flow generates an electric current. And then conversion of DC into AC, which is useful electricity. There are three main types of solar power systems: grid-tied systems, hybrid systems, off-grid systems. A grid-tied electrical system, also called tied-to-grid or grid-tie system, is a semi-autonomous electrical generation or grid energy storage system which links to the mains to feed excess capacity back to the local mains electrical grid. A hybrid system is when solar panels remain connected to the grid's power lines and have a backup battery system to store excess power. A hybrid solar system intelligently switches between using solar power, battery storage, and grid power. An off-grid solar system permits electricity to be harnessed by solar panels and stored inside a battery without direct connection to the utility grid. It provides an independent power supply to your home or business. Main components of a solar system are solar panels, solar inverter, solar racking, net meter, solar performance monitoring. Hybrid and off-grid solar system types will require additional equipment as solar battery storage, charge controller. Solar panels are very important because they capture sunlight as a source of radiant energy, which is converted into electric energy in the form of direct current. Arrays of a photovoltaic system can be used to generate solar electricity that supplies electrical equipment directly, or feeds power back into an alternate current grid via an inverter system. A solar inverter can be defined as an electrical converter that changes the uneven DC output of a solar panel into an AC. This current can be used for different applications, like in a viable electrical grid, otherwise off-grid electrical network. Solar panel racking is another vital component of PV setup. These systems provide panels with the necessary angles and stability they require to get the job done. A net meter is a metering device that allows you to sell your excess solar power back to the grid in return for a financial credit. The net meter also records the electricity you buy from the grid. Solar performance monitoring is very important because it provides a real-time snapshot of solar energy production data from solar system. A good monitoring system can tell when one or more panels isn't producing as much power. A solar plus storage system is a battery system that is charged by a connected solar system, such as a photovoltaic one. Solar battery storage technology allows you to use more of the free energy produced by the solar panels to save money and increase independence from the national grid. A charge controller, charge regulator, or battery regulator limits the rate at which electric current is added to or drawn from electric batteries to protect against electrical overload, overcharging, and may protect against overvoltage. Now let us discuss some advantages as well as disadvantages of solar power generation system. Among advantages of solar energy are: it is renewable energy source. It reduces electricity bills. Diverse applications. Low maintenance costs. It impact on water pollution. Reduced dependence on traditional energy sources and easy accessibility. Among few disadvantages are: solar panels use a lot of space. Sunshine is unreliable. Solar panels create toxic waste. Expensive energy storage. High initial cost. Solar panels could damage your roof. There are many different uses of solar energy, a few of them are as under: solar electricity, solar heating, solar water heating, solar lighting, solar ventilation fans, solar charging, solar motion detectors, solar transportation. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you understand solar power generation system. This is only introduction. For further explanation, keep watching next videos. Never forget to subscribe this channel. Like, share, and comment videos.